Hey, what up, good people? It's your boy, late CM, the one and only Martinent, as you already know. We are back with another episode, guys. As you already know, also, we've got Usihle Lapagu backstage, also known as Umepo. Today, guys, I've got you guys a very, very special guest. He's one of the phenomenal artists that we have in the country. I've got you guys, Uflash Ikumkane. Big dog.
Hola Buddha.
How are you, my nigga?
Ndiyaphila mfowethu unjani?
I know ngiyaphila bafo. Ngiyaphila. Yo, I'm very much grateful to have you today, bro, on the show.
Awe mfowethu hayi nami ndiyabulela ngethuba.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Flash, my nigga. There's this song of yours, bro. Yo, every time like I listen to that song, man, like yo, it just heals my soul, bro. I think I relate to it, bro. I think that's the thing. Yeah,
big dog.
Imama dog.
Oh mama featuring Big Hustle.
MT. Yeah, dog.
Yeah,
Tell me about that song, man, bro. I'm sorry, like just to take you back, like to that song, but
Yeah.
that's one of my favorite songs, dogs.
Yeah.
You see, yeah, like it's my favorite. Hence, like I just want you like to elaborate more, like about that song, please, my nigga, please. What led you like to make that song? Like, is it, did it like, it came like, was it like one of the songs that maybe you were doing it for your mom, or like you just put yourself in that position, yo Guti, I just want to write a song whereby a lot of people will just like relate to it, some things that maybe, because sometimes you write songs that other people can just relate to it. It's not really like from your heart, because like I'm a breakup songs.
Sure.
Hence, like maybe sometimes you're not really going through a big breakup and stuff like that, but you end up writing such songs just so that people can just relate to such songs, man. What's really going on, man, with that song? Can you just elaborate a bit more?
Yeah, my brother. Langoma si recorded early 2021.
Yeah.
I was working on my first project, Ikawe.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Ingoma producer Young Tune Beats, one of the dopest hip hop producers in the country.
Shout out.
Safika ku-Young Tune studio ndihamba no-Hustler.
Okay.
Yeah. Grand Sharp ingoma yaqalwa nguye uHustler, nguye select a beat.
Is it?
Yeah, nguye select a beat ne-concept yaza naye.
Okay.
Yabo. So after ndivela chorus,
Yeah.
then sendifumana nami direction ba okay sure apha uxelele nozala wakho ba angabi naxhala ngawe yabo ndondoni yabo. So nam mna ke zonke ingoma zami yabo ndizibhala from inhliziyo yami yabo.
Okay.
Yeah, for banikwazi uchukumisa omnye umuntu njengoba nawe sithi ba la ngoma
yeah, yo like ingithintile kakhulu.
Awe big dog. Yeah. So yeah, le ngoma siyenze kanjalo mfowethu. Yeah.
And how was it like working with MT, bro? Like, cause MT, man, he did a lot like for the game.
For sure.
Yeah, cause like he's one of the OGs that we have. You see? So yeah, man, like just let me know about that, man. How was it like, man, to working with that guy? Like to be in studio like with that guy, man. How was it?
MT is my favorite hip hop artist in Africa.
Is it?
Yeah. So
yeah.
uspana naye yayi blessing enkulu kakhulu career yami.
Okay.
I believe he's a dope musician.
Yes,
he's super talented, versatile.
Yes.
Yeah, so ngifunde izinto ezininzi ngokusebenza naye uBig Hustle. Kuncede kakhulu nami yabo ku craft yami ndakwazi ba ndenze ngcono. I believe after nisebenze naye zininzi izinto endizifundileyo nami ndiye ndakwazi ba ndibe ngcono kunakuqala.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. And then what's your real name, man?
Hlumile mfowethu.
Hlumile.
Yeah, Hlumile.
Okay, and then your surname?
Mangoloti.
Yeah. Okay. And where are you from? Are you from Eastern Cape?
Yeah, I'm from Eastern Cape, eQonce, eBhisho kulala ekuthiwa kuseBuilton pa.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh. So you grew up there?
Yeah, ndizalelwe phaya, ndakhulela phaya. Yeah, yonke way nje ndiyenzele phaya, ndize apha eJozi uzophusha icareer yami.
Is that?
Yeah.
So in the music, when did you start like making music?
Around 2009.
Okay.
Dingacho, but urekhodi ingoma yami yokuqala ndirekhode 2012
Okay.
yabo yeah ngikhumbula qala kwamba nefone kwango-208 so ndandimamela kakhulu i-hip hop that time Xhosa hip hop okay nesizulu bendisimamela cause omaraza bengazi ukuthi ngenze indlela engimele iqaleni yabo yenye ingoma endizimamela yeah ndaye nda-inspire zezo ngoma ndandizimamela nami ndaqala ubhala yabo mane freestyle namajita esigela yeah
So you started making music at a very young age, man.
Yeah.
And you have been like, how has the journey been like for you? If you look like from where you started up until manje, like beyinjani nje indlela yakho nje in overall?
Journey yami bengekho lula mfowethu cause apho nisuka khona azikho opportunities for yabo umuntu ofuna ukuba i-superstar yabo ofuna ukurapper yabo azikho ne-studios yabo nisuka emakhaya yabo.
Is it that bad?
Yeah, back then bengena kwa bedroom studio benivaya i-distance ende kakhulu for your recorder sometimes kumele ngisave imali yabo for khona ukugibela ngiyo-recorder sometimes nayo imali or ngivaya i-distance ende manifika wona amajita akhathela wafuna uspana or avela athi umuntu bakho mali yophuza bras hayi asizorecorda kwezinto zikanjalo yeah but ke ngenxa yeba mina bendiserious ngayo ngale way ndiye ndazama ngayo yonke indlela bandibheke phambili that's why I decide uba mandihambe Eastern Cape ndize Joburg.
Okay. Oh, so that what led to a transition yakho moving from Eastern Cape to Joburg because you felt like izinto they were too slow that side.
Yeah izinto azenzeki that side Crenshaw yeah.
Is it sorry like is it still the same now like or now things have changed because I think you're talking about isikhathi okhuluma ngaso it was back then
akufani ngoku mfethu yabo because khona umzekelo eBisho lapho ndandigela khona akhona ama-artist apushayo like ubang roll enye intwana ezipushayo zipusha i-hip hop and umjita une-numbers upusha era eBisho yabo and nami kulapho ndaqala khona upusha yabo but that time bengenzeki next so I think social media yenze izinto zaba better
yeah social media is a very powerful platform because it can get like your music to indoor way when you can't get like physically
for sure
yeah and also what I like about music it's life music like is just forever you see yeah all the songs that you made even in Mama there are people that would still relate to that song even
for
if
sure.
In years like to come bro
sure,
they're still going to listen to that song and I even listened to it before I even came to the show imagine bro
it's a dope song one of the ones
bro I really like that song you guys should check it out Imama Kaflesh Kumkani featuring MT The Big Hustle
sir.
Okay going back to life yakho yase Eastern Cape ufundele ngale like ufundele kuphi
sure mina wasezilalini umfowethu kodwa ngenceba kamdali ndiye ndafunda eBisho i-city yabo yeah unozala wami wazambani ngafunda emakhaya at least ngifumane better education yabo yeah so benifunda eBisho ngibele transport yabo every day yeah nokurapha ngiqale khona la eBisho yabo yeah then ndazama ukuyifaka elalini yabo napusha then I decide ukuthi ay mangivaye because mina ngifuna ukupusha le career music yabo yeah then ndavaya nasesigela ndazokhala ngaye eJozi ndapusha writings
and when exactly you would say ukuthi you started like to fell in love like with really like making music
ever since I recorded track yami yokuqala mfowethu because before benikwa grade 8 man record track yami yokuqala beniqeda ukufika e-high school before recording ngoma yami yokuqala then sengiqale nokuchaya izoli yabo nezinye nje drugs yabo, but as soon as ngirecord track yami rashiya yonke right hands.
You left that life.
Yeah. Yabo na focus fully
on
music.
That's when like you got into it, you know what, this thing, like I'm just going with it no matter what happens now. I'll just make sure I stick to music.
Yabo ne surroundings zami nje ngabantu abenza music yabo, ansablow me namanye ama chance yabo.
Okay.
So usukela nje ukurecord kwami ingoma yami yokuqala zange ngiphinde ngijonge emva. Kwabona ngipush music because bendlala ne football yabo, but ndabona emakhaya football ayi ngeke kusendawo dog yabo. Hayi isipana amajita mabhaya amajita talented enothi manibukele bafana ngithi yabona umjita if bekada bafana ngekude no yabo. Yeah, but akwenzeki mfethu because basezilalini akho bantu bangakwazi babone baba-push yabo.
And then ufike nini la eJozi?
Ufike eJozi my brother ngiqale ndaza 2014 ndanze ku-holiday. Okay. Yeah, kulapho decide khona ukuthi Grandshop kumele ndize eJozi yabo because enye i-Grootman yami ndathi ngangivakashele u-auntie ka-Olid wami.
Okay.
So incosi yakhe e-Grootman yami engivayisa yabo, ngabona izinto ngabona ukuthi Grandshop mina kumele nibe yiyo yabo.
Okay.
After holiday ngabuyela back home. Ezange niphinde nibe grand ingqondo yami behlezi eJozi yabo. Then early 2016 ndavaya Eastern Cape ndaza ngayi. Yeah, early 2016.
And then isikolo sona siqede nini?
Isikole zange ndisiqede manje ngina drop out.
What was the reason behind that? Ufunda esikoleni esigrand,
yeah.
Like, because if you get such opportunities, it's hard to just let go of such things. So what really happened?
Maniga mna apho niphuma khona mfethu. Awekho amathuba dog yabo. And abantu ababhaya enkhule nabo baye babhayiziseke lifeini yabo. Ngezinto zama drugs ne crime, even nama uncle wami bewakwi crime yabo. Nami njengoba ndixelela bese ngiqale ungena kwezinye izinto yabo. So ndabona if ngiqhubeka ngihlale eEastern Cape nizobhayiziseka yabo because nasesigela bengekho focused yabo.
Okay, yeah.
Into bendiyifuna ngilo music.
Music even, yeah.
Okay. Bengekho amathuba wa. Yeah. So naqona man vele ndizamba ndivele ndivayende eJoburg ngifocus kuleyo yomculo full time mhlambi engayisave life yami ngingafani namajita yabo gcina ngena kwi-crime nezinye izinto.
So you think if you would have stayed Eastern Cape, do you think like you would have not became the person that you are today? Mawubheka.
Yeah. Every time ngicabanga dog. If nangazange ndithathe la decision nandicinga uba mhlambi noba ngenise prison or ngendashona. Yeah. Because I remember nasesigela there was a time namajita ngesikhathi isibhema senza lezinto. There was a time santshontshwa phone nomunye umntana la and yantshontshwa ndimo wayikhuphe backini yabo.
Okay.
Omnye umjita wethu sasibayi 3.
Okay.
So lo mjita usibonisile ukuthi kunefone endaweni ethile waphinda wayosnitcha la. So mina ngumjita onenhliziyo yabo. If into ndiyayenza like I don't look back yabo.
Okay.
So ndavaya mina ndayicoza le phone ndayibamba. After school sibona sekufika amahati qhwatywa ngempama befuna ifone yabo. Kanti out here to snitch leyo. So izinto ezikanjalo not man ngicabanga ukuthi yazi lento ye music le yansave dog.
And also that incident I think yakufundisa yakutshengisa nanokuthi you don't belong here. Because akusinto ifunayo at the end of the day. Vele you had a passion for music, which is you chose to pursue. Okay. And then iphi ingoma like eyakuvulela like imnyango that would say after that song my things like started like to pop.
Umhluzi. Yeah.
Umhluzi. And I saw your status. Was it nominated? which was that one? There's a post that
yeah,
you posted today.
Umhluzi remix. Yeah,
Okay.
nominated on SA Hip Hop Awards. Yeah,
Is
best remix. Yeah. But kiyazange ndi win.
Yeah, but to be
I'm
nominated
grateful for the
nomination. Just for nomination. Yo.
Because upho nisuka khona ke umuntu even ne-rappers endikhule ndizimamela zesiXhosa azange zafika kule level yabo. Yeah.
Then mawufika la eJozi ufika uhlala nobani, what was the plan and how did you like started to make your moves like this side? Because I think mawufika like usuka emakhaya, it's hard. Especially to a place that you are not familiar, that you are not much familiar with. Like it's really difficult. Yeah, but so when how did you maneuver like your way and try to pave your way like to the top?
Mfethu kwakunzima kakhulu yabo for umuntu ofana nami usuke emakhaya yabo city life yonke into yenzeka fast ngayi even no music ebendoyenza uqala kwami thema nifike eJozi kushaya sound dog yabo i-trap that time beyifika yabo abo MT besando blow up ATM sound yabo so nami kokumele nzamba le rap bendiyenza emakhaya nzama ukuthi nami ndizama ukufitha in kule sound ndizoba relevant yabo so yayingento lula leyo because i-producers yabazi abantu mfethu mabe kunzima ubuilda nabantu mfethu yabo because mama uqala ukwenza into ngeke uvele ube nswembu kuyo yabo
yeah
so omnye umuntu ubona ngathi mawusazama ukuhlanganisa umoshela isikhathi nani lapho ubhatalile yabo marugayi yabo i-product engekho solid mixing yakhona because le ngoma akayithandi yabo yeah so bekunzima kakhulu for mina because neXhosa hip hop that time bengekho that big yabo so nama out nje ayakunyanza yeah but ngenxa yeba bendikholelwa yabo kule way yami ndibelieve ba le way le ndingakwazi uthatha ndise etop yabo ndisebenza ngawo wonke amandla wami ndiye avela amathuba eziba ixesha lihamba yabo because ufika kwamaPejozi ndafika naba focused ndenza lento yo music yabo wonke umuntu endizidibanisa naye wenza music yabo zange kuphele ne6 months ndilapha because nandifikele ku dubs kama oledwami yabo
okay kupnendawo
ranga se Park Station
okay
okay
eJozi
eJozi
okay
bathi kuvara bathi kusa Wanderers
okay
ithe kumapheli 6 months sahlangana nenye Grootman abathi ngu Stand Alive le Grootman niye be push ATM before Ambitious
okay
yeah so yacova mina intaba yase Dubai Olified Keta Young Tune Beats Swag BSK namanye amajita nje besibabhaya yasizamela indawo yokuhlala yasibhayela equipment yabo beyisinakekela nje yabo sikhempile la sispana yabo yeah sihlangana nabo Big Zulu bebefika labo Big Zulu abo Zakhwe
okay
abo Ranks ATM Crazy ATM yabo amagents ndawazela from that camp yabo
okay
yeah Theke masivaya isikhathi sipusha yabo kwasiya kubangcono yabo kanjalo yeah
so le out believe kini like ningaka like you guys beningaka like made any moves yokuthi like cause in some cases unokubona ukuthi okay this one like had started maybe to grow a following and there's it loud so we just believe in you like where nobody else did at the time
yeah cause sonke mfethu like bengekho umuntu one hit song and I believe nje ne craft yethu bengekabi solid but because of uGrootman yena an experience yabo ecavi art bayithatha isikhathi because before bekaspana nabo MT and wababona abo MT besiba better abo be blow up bebane song of the year nani even ne video ye roll up nguye wa investor ku video ye roll up yabo before nje MT adibane Ambitious yabo so uGrootman ngatsho nithi ngumuntu one vision yabo yeah nathi wasinceda abantu abaninzi ndidibene nabo because of ndaye ndadibana naye yeah
Okay, and then yini ongathi that you've learned like from the game since like you are in the SA hip hop music, like yini that you would say, Ace, this is the thing that I did not know from the get-go when I started like to make music, that you would say maybe you would advise people to be aware of now, that would, or things that will help them ukuthi nabo, if like they're still trying their thing out there, they're still like trying to make it, what is it that they need to focus on?
awe nami ndisafunda mfowethu, zininzi izinto endisazifundayo yabo yeah even namanje kunendlela like enzamba ndimove ngayo yabo kube different from kwindlela benimove ngayo before because kunezinto endizifundileyo
yeah because if you're an artist, like I think you must evolve like from time to time ukushintsha kubalekile, but in a good way.
In a good way
as much as you came here wabona ukuthi no man here like bayenza i-trap, and then you need to tap into that so that people can relate to you even though when it's close,
sure,
you see, even though ucula ngesixhosa
enye yezinto ezibalulekileyo kakhulu xa uyi-artist yabo kusipana kwicraft yakho, masterishe icraft yakho yabo, ungamoshi imali yakho nesikhathi sakho uzama ukudm ama-superstars ufuna ukusipana nawo yabo, sipana kwicraft yakho yabo. I-superstars zihleze zikhangela iswasentsha yabo, if ziyakubona ra because manje kune-social media yabo, if uyarekhoda wenza umculo, wenza umake a show icraft yakho iba better, shaya ama-reels, ushoot i-videos, bazokubona ku-social media, bona bazokudm ngokwabo yabo. Yeah, so enye into ebaluleke kakhulu le as a-upcoming artist, masterishe icraft yakho, ukhohlwe i-success nokuduma, make sure nje wena like icraft yakho iba better yabo,
like you become the best version of yourself.
Yabo. Yeah, and ube nguwe yabo, like rap from your heart yabo, ungabuzicabanga izinto ezininzi uzama ukufana nabanye abantu yabo, because ngaloo ndlela kulula uba abantu bakuthande because uza nento engekhoyo yabo.
Because it's hard to replace something that's already there yabo, mhlawumbe ufuna ukuzenza u-big hustler
yabo, asoze ukwazi
because it's already there. It's there. So when you must come with your own sound, now people would want to be like you, bazofuna ukufana nawe, bafuna ukucula njalo.
Sure, and asoze ukwazi uba ngcono kunomuntu oze nento yabo, asoze ukwazi umodlula because yinto yakhe usuka nayo phansi wayimasterisha waba yimaster yayo. Ngoku wena xa ufika nje uzama uhijacka angeke kulunge. And anyway ke nami ngisayifundayo yabo, i-business side of music yabo, ayona it's tricky. Yeah, but kodwa because awukwazi ukuthi ufocus ku-music wakho, kwi-recording yabo, ne-videos, uphinde ngapho uzama ukusenda ama-emails yabo, ngeke ukwazi uyenza yonke right yabo, idinga ba ube ne-team. But ke as an upcoming artist kunzima ungadibana nabantu ababelivelayo kuwe, abazofuna usebenza nawe mahala yabo, bazofuna ubhatala imali ezinkulu, kanti awukwazi ukuthi i-upcoming artist ungisiza ngama-emails uyangicharge because andenza imali from yabo
the music that you're putting out there.
And nalama emails zininzi i-chances zokuthi angangaphendulwa because andaziwa yabo, so udinga abantu ongabuilda nabo. Enye yezinto kunzima ke ukuyifumana leyo, abantu abakholelwayo yabo, abantu abangazukudlela isikhathi nje, abantu like abazokusiza like nje yabo.
Okay, and then let's talk about what's hottest in the streets, man. Chini P. Yes, that song. I'm just vibing to it, but I don't know who's it because of Chini P. Chini P. I'm just thinking maybe Pusha P because that's the Pusha P. So I don't know, man. I'm balancing because just balance me on that one. What does it mean, and what led to you like to make that song actually? And it's a big Maraza
Grootman. Shout out to Grootman because nguye believele kuleya ngoma yabo ngamdlalela leya ngoma. Mhlambi if beningazange ndibe nethuba loba ndimdlalela ngoma ngengekayidrop nangoku.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because after ndimdlalele yona ndabona reaction yakhe naye wafuna ukujumpa yabo kwabalula yabo kuba nami ndibelievele kuyo leya ngoma. Yeah, so Chini P uchini ngamanye amagama like asetshenziswa kakhulu ngamaXhosa yabo xa ethetha ba chini kaloku yabo.
Okay chini
yabo yeah nami ndinova like xa ndidibana namajito amangamaZulu yabo ezama uthetha isiXhosa amagama abawasebenzela sala kaloku chini efondini yabo. Yeah yabo so ndasebenzisa uchini P up like where yabo. Yeah but up wakhona nimbhale inspire ngula pushing P kaGhana.
Oh yeah.
Okay. P. Yeah. So yeah, I know meaning deep.
Okay. Okay. And then how did you meet Maraza? Or you've been like you guys have been like friends like maybe from the camp, maybe you've met him there or something.
Yeah, Grootman ndimazi sukela kudala. First time dibana no Grootman kwakunini kane 2021 no excuse me I think 2019.
Okay.
Yeah, sihlangana eJozi. Yeah, but bendispane ndiqala uspana naye last year. Dala sidibana sithi sizospana.
Okay.
Because I remember dibana kwam naye kwango 2020 after ndrope umhluzi.
Okay.
Yeah, around that time we lockdown.
Okay.
Udibana kwam naye wancoma umhluzi but damn that song is fire and then sando shy 100k views that time yabo.
I thought it was nice to be like to get people like to talk about you and it was something
nice. You feeling guy confidence now as term as an artist. Yeah, so last year bendispana kwi project yami Sibane Selali. Grootman one blessa ngebe onike isikhathi sakhe sa studio sashaya enye ngoma ezinswambu kakhulu kwi catalog yami ngisalindile.
Okay.
Yeah, shout outs to Grootman. Enye ye Grootman's man ezinike nje ezinibonisa uthando gaming yabo ndiyamhlonipha kakhulu Grootman and ndimndedwe ndiyambona yenza writings nakwezinye artist yabo. Grootman yamanyani. Grootman ndiyamhlonipha uBularaza.
And usakhuluma ngaso nje Sibane Selali like it sounds so deep like the concept of your project. Can you just take us through the project itself ukuthi what does it mean ukuthi Sibane Selali like does it resemble you or the place that you come from because it sounds like that to me but I don't know hence I want you to explain on that one.
Sibane Selali ndim.
Okay.
This is Sibane Selali. Because njengoba ukubalisela yabo apho nisuka khona baninzi abantu abatalented yabo but kodwa abakholelwa ku talent zabo ngenxa yoba azikho opportunities.
True.
Yabo azikho platforms wabo umuntu akwazi uziveza push into yakhe yabo. So ubukho bami yabo nenzame zami enzenzayo zophusha icareer yami kuyabakhanyisela yabo abantu balenda unisuka kuyo babona uba Granshap elifini ungakwazi man kwenza nenyinto yabo ungakwazi usebenzisa isiphiwo sakho uphile ngaso yabo because abanye abantu ngenxa bamhlambe besuka kwi families eziphuwa so umuntu vele abona ba education ngeke imsebenzele because akazukwazi yani university nani abe umuntu mhlambe talented kwinto kwezinye izinto yabo
maybe entertainment.
Entertainment or mhlambe izinto nje ezibhaya yabo mfethu then umuntu agcine like Spanish drugs yabo ngendaba yokuthi yena ka believe ba angaphusha life yena so ubukho bam bayawakhanyisela abanye abantu lona nisibiza ngeSibane Selali naku music wami ndikhuthaza ba abantu mabenze inzame umuntu makangahlali nje yabo makangazijongela phansi makakholelwe kuye makabe nemibono yabo makazibone kude. Yeah.
And then so he message obuzama ukuyindlulisa leyo.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have a favorite song on that project? Maybe someone will just say, "Yo, favorite song ka Flash Kumkana."
Yeah,
Do you
yeah.
have a favorite song on like that you'd say, "Yo, this one it was very special and it's close to your heart"? I know very all
Sure,
of
sure,
those
yeah,
songs,
yeah, yeah.
but maybe there might be that one. Or this one, even the recording process, yeah, yo, like I was really into it.
Okay. Amaqaba featuring Anzo.
Okay.
Yeah. Yenye yengoma like Amaqaba no Anzo ubukho bakho no Vina. Yeah, those two. Yeah.
Okay. And then kujeni yakho nje yaku music, because there was a time khona line wakho walisho, I think ngilizwe recently,
Yeah.
ukuthi shout out to Hotman Java. What
Yeah,
did it
yeah.
do for you, Java?
Grootman's Java yenye Grootman's like ezinobuntu egamini, because egamini ubuntu abukho yabo, like abantu nje igame toxic yabo.
You say, oh
yeah. But uGrootman's Java ngomnye wabantu endibahlonipha kakhulu yabo indlela move ngayo. Yambona by Grootman. I remember 2022 yabo bengisemakhaya. Ndanishonelwe i-ankle yami
RIP.
uGrootman's Java wangifonela ngesikhathi se-Cotton Fest ukuthi yo Nkabi baqeda ukukhipha i-poster and andikubonanga and you're the hardest working artist in Africa, kanjani bangakufaki because that year ngadrop aboma how many projects? 3 projects.
Okay.
Yeah. 15 videos.
Yo. I be
So yeah, uGrootman wanfonela ndabuya nazi Josie one bring her out kwi Cotton Fest na performer ku main stage. Grandshop anzange na performer ku stage esinabantu abangakaya before.
Okay.
Yabo.
It was the first time.
Yeah, it was my first time.
And it's all thanks to Java.
Java. Indlalifa. Shout out Grootman. Forever grateful
for that thing that it did for you.
Yeah.
Yo, wow. Have you do you think maybe you might make a song with him? Like in the future or something?
Because sazenza ingoma eziyi-2.
Okay.
Yeah, but enye wagcina eqhubeka nayo. Leya version sayenzayo nami ndangayithanda yabo.
Okay.
Then enye isese studio nayo sikayikhuphi.
Yeah. So you do have stuff now.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So we should look out for that.
Yeah. Ngenzeka noma yini. Yeah.
Okay. And then which is like the artist that you would say maybe ungafisa ukusebenza nalo nje that's in the South African hip hop industry?
Grootman's Java. I feel like right now yabona if nga bane studio session esiproper nayo and ningenza ingoma engcono kakhulu. No Grootman Cool Cat. Okay, Maluma Cool Cat.
Maluma Cool Cat.
Yo, he's a dope Zulu rapper.
Yeah,
one of my favorites for sure.
Okay. Going back to MT, you were signed to MT Record.
Co-signed.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh. And when was that?
2020.
Yeah. Oh. So uhlangane naye kanjani MT?
Ubhika sindahlangana naye ngo Crazy ATM.
Okay.
Excuse me. Crazy ngomnye wa artist ezasignwe Ambitious.
Okay. Nyambona Crazy.
Yeah, ushaye Vestura kushishiliza.
Kushishiliza phansi,
yeah. I think right now usignwe MT or co-signed by MT.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm not sure but ngibabona bembeva yabonga. So nguye wangihlanganisa no MT.
Okay.
Yeah, 2018 bengihlala kulo Crazy yabo bengena ndayo yokuhlala then uGrootman wanisiza bengihlala nabazali bakhe rayezwe ngizizwe. So every time akaye Ambitious beka novaya nathi namanye amajita.
Okay.
Yeah, nahlangana njalo no Big Hustle. But 2019 after ndirekhode Omhluzi nezinye ingoma. Yeah, then Crazy one organize le meeting no MT ndamdlalela ingoma zami kulapho MT wancanywa khona Omhluzi.
Oh.
Yeah.
So then how did he end up ex-signer? Like what happened?
Azange ngisayine i-cosign.
Oh, you co-signed? Oh,
Yeah, because
co-signed.
Magen hit her up. Oh, after meeting wathi uzon hit her up makasehlanganise i-management yabo.
Okay.
Ngesikhathi nibane meeting naye bekase ambitious.
Oh.
Yeah. So 6 months later ndava kuthiwa uvule MT Records. Few days after ngibone writings one hit her up.
Okay.
Yeah, so ku message yakhe wathi ndifuna ukugaya i-platform for you to push izinto zakho.
Okay.
I believe in you. Andizukubinda nge-contract njenge-ambitious.
Okay. Okay.
Funa nje sisebenzisane.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yo, and it's very unlikely la in the musical
sorry,
space.
Mina ngicela usichazele le ka cosign because
Yeah,
umuntu izomdida ukuthi ma cosign kusho uthini.
Yeah, i-cosign it's like i-brand enkulu igaya i-brand encane ithuba ngaphandle kokuthi kube namaphepha. Yeah,
Okay.
that's a cosign.
Because there was no contract that was binding you to
Yeah.
the MT record.
Yeah. Yeah. Whenever like i-brand enkulu is associated ne-brand encane leyo i-cosign ngaphandle kwe-contract yabo. Yeah.
And then how long did you stay there with MT record?
I think a year.
A year.
Yeah.
That's when songs like Imama came out. And
Yeah, like Kasha.
like, oh, yo, that one also. Yo, like Kasha. Yo. That's a very dope song. Like Kasha. It's a
shout out.
very dope song. Yeah. Oh, okay. Do you think MT, like, did he equip you, like, like in your career?
Yeah, for sure. Because it like iposte kakhulu i-career yami. Nje into yamoshayo indlela izinto zaphela ngayo.
Oh, izinto zange ziphele kahle.
Yeah, ndingathi izinto zange ziphele kahle yabo because namxelela ba kwabakho isikhathi yabo kwenzeka izinto kwashona umngani wakhe uLebs abeka imanager yami yabo.
Okay.
Yeah, so after kwenzeke writings ayaniphazamisa kakhulu ngenxa yendlela enzeke ngayo yabo.
Okay.
Yeah, then nami decide uba mandiziphushele mani indlela yami yabo mandenze izinto zami namxelela kodwa ba yo Big Hustle ndiyabulela mfowethu for yonke into nenzele yona but right now ngifuna ukuziqhubekela ngeyami indlela yabo.
Okay.
Wavuma few months later sekakhuluma like few days after sekakhuluma izinto ezi negative on social media yabo. Ever since ndavaya like kuloko nje nokuba live akhulume izinto as negative ngami.
Oh, aish.
Yeah, but kodwa ngesikhathi niphusha naye no saphusha kakhulu. Into nje engayithandiyo indlela abe ngayo after.
Okay.
Yeah.
So is there a possibility nje ukuthi kube nengoma since akhuluma lezi zinto or you guys are no more talking?
Beke wazama hit her up around June from May besikhuluma June, July. Things gcine ngoJuly ukukhuluma.
Bekathini?
Bekumele sihlangane yabo.
Okay.
Kumele sihlangane manje sithi sohlangana postpone njalo yabo. Yeah, but right now ndifocus kuma yabo andisafuna uzidibanisa kakhulu yabo. Yeah, ngizenzela into yami. But ndiyam respect he's my favorite hip hop artist in South Africa.
He still is.
Yeah.
Despite the things that he talked about.
Yeah, he's super talented, that man. Yeah, super talented.
And he dropped an album and it's making big numbers on social platforms.
Yeah, Pella it's empty.
Yeah, it's empty. What do you expect to fail at the end of the day?
Yeah.
So when do you respond to those things like Mangabe, he talked bad things about you on social media? Do you respond or you just keep quiet?
Isikhathi esibhaya ngiyathula mfowethu. Yeah, but ixesha elininzi bayandibuza kwi-podcast yabo, and ikhona enye i-podcast abandibuza la bafonela nololi ngesikhathi bekasasibhana no-MT.
Okay.
Enye yezinto angazange ayithande yabo.
Oh,
yeah, because ngesikhathi ndikhuluma naye bekahleze ekhuluma ngayo azandithanda into oyithethela yabona nani.
Okay.
Yeah, but isikhathi esibhaya ndizinaki dog.
Okay. So have you guys like resolved things? Njengoba benikhuluma, what was the conversation about? Like nisiresolvile izinto or nje izinto namanje still they are not okay?
Into besithetha ngayo leyo way because bensitsho mna kuba yo Big Hustle ya ndiyakuva into ethile uthayithandanga nami zikhona into engazithandiyo.
Oh, okay.
But kodwa mna umnqono wami kuba masenze uxolo yabo.
Okay.
Siqhubeke nelife yabo because one sees ebomini.
Yeah.
Yabo.
Oh, you're still grateful for.
Yeah, I'm
for
still grateful for ithuba nike lona because namanje like ndiyakhona ukuphusha because of ithuba wanika lona yabo. Andika elevate ndibe bigger than yabo landlela yena ndandibhika ngayo ngesikhathi ndisibhana nayo yabo. So yeah, I'm grateful yabo. Yeah, but ke njengoba nisitsho banisafuna uzi-associate man yabo ne-brands ezithile because nami ndineyami vision.
Yeah.
Yeah, if umuntu uyagcwala nami ndiyagcwala singasipana, if akagcwali nami andigcwali yabo.
Okay.
Yeah, so ndiyawuthanda music wakhe but andincanye i-character yakhe yabo nendlela antreata ngayo. Nendlela athetha ngayo ngam yabo. Yeah, because kuyabonakala uba kanirespect, so anosibhana nomuntu onganirespectiyo.
Oh.
Ngaphandle bakhe naye angazama uzithoba bengumntu yabo, ayeke uba internet gangster yabo.
Okay. So up until he has not aze kuwe azithobe along season, there is no way.
Yeah, not uba aze kum yabo, like njengoba umzekelo indlela elula i-DM yabo bayo mfowethu ya ndikhulumileyo sorry yabo, because nami nditsho many times kuye bayo okay sure ndiyakuzwa uthi kunezinto ndizithethileyo angazithandanga sorry yabo. Yeah, so nje lo way mna nidingayo yabo kola micala. Inhlonipho, kuhlonitshwane yabo. Yeah, nothing else.
So you respect your music in a way yokuthi angeke usebenze noma regardless ukuthi how big he is or she is, you won't work with the person ongak-respect.
Nah dog, I'm not chasing clout man nigga, like this is bane selali kune message ebalulekileyo endihambisayo. If awuncanywa akosidingo soba sisibane yabo. Even nami zikhona artists ezibig engazincanywayo yabo. Yeah, but never respect.
Yeah. I know.
Akosidingo soba kuforcwe.
Okay. No ngiyakuzwa. I've seen some of the things that were circulating on the internet. I'm not sure how true they are. Was there ever like a beef between you, no Bravo, Lyrics?
Yeah, ikhe abakhona way yabo sikhe sabe grand nomjita but sayilungisa lo.
Oh, so now it's resolved now.
Yeah, even kusibane selali sine grand shop sayilungisa kwingoma.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, sinengoma la yabo si umjita yazithoba nami ndiyazithoba.
Okay.
Yeah, igama lengoma lithi Gazi Lam.
Okay.
Featuring Maniac. Maniac uskaye i-chorus entswambu kakhulu yabo. Yeah. Ayingeyona serious yabo.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, ayingeyona serious kodwa sayilungisa sigrano.
Okay. What was the problem?
To
someone who don't know what happened.
Hey, nama ndiyazi.
Or it's one of those things because sometimes even nama fans ayaxabanisa
yeah yabo.
Because now they would say you said this where else you did not.
Yabo.
Yeah. So kwenzakalani?
Yeah, zizinto ze-fans mfethu ne-internet yabo.
Okay.
Yeah. Ne-managers yabo.
Okay.
Yeah, but silungisile even ngokubenise Cape Town nje a few days ago. Bengihleli ne-manager yakhe yabo.
Okay.
Yeah, sancokola sigrand nenamba yakhe kunezibhane sizozenza.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. What would you say like to people now maybe who are still like about my upcoming artists? Because a lot of people, they're still suffering under that. Yabo uguti bafike gamini like bezwana but only to find out uguti they are now enemies. Yabo. So what would you say like to people like maybe or that they should be aware of the things that the internet might affect their relationship? Because sometimes go by the internet, as you're saying. So how would you advise people on that thing? Uguti, okay, this is the things that they should be or they should look out for, especially on the internet side. Uguti, babe more like awake of such things.
Mina into endiyifundile yabo as an upcoming artist funeka uyifake engqondweni but like collaborations zibetter yabo. Ayikho into yohlula i-collaborations. Akumelanga ucabanga ukuthi ubetter wena uyi-one.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Akumelanga ucabanga ukuthi enye artist wena like untswembu kunamanye ama-artist nana. I believe into ebhayizisayo leyo because i-fans zihleze ziphusha direct ukuthi hayi ubani untswembu kunobani.
Yeah, because here sometimes in the course
i-drama
between the two artists.
Yeah. Gcina manje ama-artist angasa-collaborate because ubona ngathi bathi yena uwekho kanye omnjalo njalo.
Yeah, omunye umkhilile engomeni and stuff like that.
Kanti into ebalulekileyo ingoma emnandi. Yabo, it doesn't matter bangubani oshayineleyo kuleyo ngoma. As long as ingoma imnandi abantu beyithanda, ama-artist wonke ayadla. Yabo, so into ebalulekileyo le.
Pride aside,
yeah.
Okay. And recently you've been making music, no skips.
Yeah.
Yo, that guy like he sounds like an international artist, man.
Yeah.
Like his sound, like it's so incredible,
sure,
man. Yo,
sure.
like umthola kanjani or Skips? Like how did you find out about Skips?
Skips inhlangane naye amajitabawana camp eJozi in 2021.
Okay.
Yeah, inhlangane naye ngelo xesha umjita. Benidla ngofika pha ku camp yabo. Babukele berecorda, banifake kwezinye ingoma. Yabo, yeah. And Skips ngomnye wamajita abe grand kum because after ndiyekile uSpana no MT amanye amajita nje ayenactela fani yabo.
Okay.
Yeah, Skips ngomnye wamajita waqhubekayo Spana nam. And guy advice by yo yabo move us on, so that's why I didn't decide by yo Grandshop manenzi collaboration no Skips yabo.
Okay.
Because he's also one of my favorite trappers in South Africa.
Oh.
Yeah. I believe in Skips.
Okay.
I believe he's going far. Yeah.
Yeah, and congratulations, because I also saw what you guys are making. Were you on album mode or?
Yeah, we're doing a joint album.
Oh.
Yeah, we're doing a joint album.
What is it called?
Goku and Vegeta.
You're taking us back by the two Goku no Vegeta.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Goku and Vegeta.
Okay, like what's the whole meaning like for the concept of the project? What are you trying to convey like with that? Well, what does it mean?
In a meaning as a bias ahlukeneyo.
Okay.
Because I believe that namandi mamele le album ndiva like uflash different from yabo.
Okay.
So the transformer yabo ndine content eyahlukileyo ndithetha ngezinto ongeke uzizwe ku music wami manje iziraphela ndi1 yabo. Yeah, and the sound different yabo. Yeah, siya transformer Goku no Vegeta.
Oh, like you're going beast mode now.
Yeah, my nigga.
And when is it dropping? Because I know there's a single out already.
Yeah,
Honest.
War. And we're dropping the full project early next year.
Early next year.
Yeah, big.
Oh. And what are the features that you should expect from your project, if you don't mind revealing?
Kune artist yase Cape Town, female artist Blue K.
Blue K.
Yeah,
Okay.
Sebenzile no Blue K, no Ghost. 043 is from King Williamstown.
Okay.
Yeah, but naye lapha eJozi, naye sispanile naye, Novice production, Cyper Beats, Navy. Manje we're waiting for Young Tune Beats so that we can wrap up the album.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then which are your top 5 South African hip hop artists?
MT.
Okay. Oh, it's the first one. The Big Hustle.
MT. 25K.
25K. Oh.
Yeah. Flash Kumkani.
I was seeing a part. Yeah.
Our music family utanda apply.
Yeah. And your music, it's more like you're talking to the people.
Yeah.
Like it's a touching music.
Yeah. Maraza.
Yeah. Okay.
Maraza.
Okay, that's number 4.
Skips for sure.
Skips.
Yeah.
Skips. And then you speak highly of MT, despite the fact that you guys like had the beef and stuff like that and all of that. Like, which is your favorite album, like, from Ikaraloka MT?
Buddha hasn't decided this year. For the longest time, bengekho sure between Avery and Manando.
Okay.
Manando. Yeah. I MT mfethu from the first song to the last song, dog. MT no rough. That combination, brother.
It's something else, and it's out of this world. Yeah, like it's
mixing, mastering yakhona, izinto MT rapper ngazo, yamuzwa untango ukuthi phili phupha la. Yeah. I like that album,
yeah. And is there anything else that we should expect, like, from you this year?
Yeah, Goku and Vegeta.
Okay.
Nomdakwe 2 Skips.
Okay.
Yeah, for now, ndisafocus kwezo zinto ndizama ne match.
Okay.
Yeah.
Your own match.
Yeah, Flash
it's coming.
merchandise.
Wow.
Yeah, it's coming.
Wow.
Yanzonzo kusendela i-picture raw ifake
yabo. Yeah. You can send so that they can see you.
Yeah, ngicela ni DM era ni support umjita. Yeah.
Okay. Is there anything that you'd like to ask Flash Kumkani before we let him go? Okay, and then is there anything that you'd like to say, Flash, before we let you go? What is it that is there like you want to talk to upcoming artists who are still trying to pass out and make it into the music scene? You see, what is it that you inspire them today that they should take from you? Maybe it might help, even if inga helpy a lot of people. That one person that listened to you,
sure,
in Yam Caesar, that's a big thing on its own,
for sure.
Yeah. So, what is it that you would really say to upcoming artists that are still pushing?
Okokuqala mfowethu ngifuna ubulela kuwe ngethuba. Yeah, shout out Big Dog. Setup here inhle kakhulu mfowethu.
Thank you.
Fire.
It means a lot coming from you, Flash.
Yeah. Niqhubekeke. Ndinqwenelela impumelelo bafethu. Nincede niphuhlisa ama-artist ningawabulali.
It's one thing that you have learned about podcast, isn't it?
Hey, podcast is yawabulala ama-artist. Yawabulala blind. But not zonke. Bakhona abantu abapush i-agenda grand. Then bakhona bakubuza izinto ezizotrenda vele. Ubuzela into uyibuza kube yazi ba ezotrenda. Akenzela abantu ababukeleyo ba mabafunde yabo. Yeah, then kwi upcoming artist into engayithethe lebese ndithethile ba focus ku craft yakho, masterisha craft yakho, khohlwa ku DM ama superstars. Ama superstars kumele DM wena because uwena sesentsha.
Yeah.
So siyabindala.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, wow, that's very, very powerful. So going back to podcast, so like, is there any artist that you saw maybe that you would say, yo, after Wayago podcasted Chile, things did not end well because of the things they ask or the things that that person said?
Kena bonu chup bemkhupha kuyajola 99 after MacG. Asibona lezo zinto.
Yeah.
Umuntu ulahlekelwa sisibhayini ngendaba zama podcast. Isonka somuntu. Yena uMacG uviyela ba sakhe isonka sibasininzi. What about lo muntu ulahlekelwa sisonka yena?
Hey. Yeah, ne.
Hayi man madoda. Nalama podcast wenu.
Sheila ngithi ukuthi some of them push agenda code, some of them push sometimes like in Goma podcast like it's content creation. So yeah, some vele they just want maybe into maybe just because of Bafuni trend and stuff. But some isn't it's a platform like to explain yourself. You see, to say no, this thing that you guys saw on social media, it's not it. Yeah, well, that things like you're addressing your fans in a way, and also it's good like to interconnect with your fans so that they can see or they can know your moves from point A to point B as much as vele baglandela and they listen to your music.
I know they fumana lo way, they understand lo way, and anangxaki nalo way yabo. Ingxaki yami nje zezwe man yabo. Umzekelo abanye abantu nokubukela interview. Xa ndibukela le interview ndimbone le presenter ayazi kwangoma yalo mjito kanye ayithandi kwangoma neyi1 yabo. Umbizele nje ba umbone trenda ku Twitter bathe uchithele ubani manje sekafuna uzomhlalisa athathe indaba zakhe afumane more numbers naye yabo. Yabona izinto ezikanjalo because mina as an artist lento benuxelela yona ba zikhona artists ezibig andithi manhlangana nazo andiceli nesithombe because umuntu andithanda umusic wakhe unswembu but not for me and relate ku content yakhe. So I understand abantu xa bezama uzidibanisa nabantu abangabathandiyo yabo because abanye unobona ba ubani beka ku podcast kabani mara manje ubani sekakhuluma izinto ezingekho grand yabo kodwa bekambize ku podcast kanjani yabo.
And then do you have a kid unayo umntwana?
Yeah, bro.
Oh, is it a boy or
two?
Oh, two.
Girl and a boy.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, and then do you have siblings?
Yeah.
Abakulandelayo? Three.
Yeah.
So you are the brick bro?
Yeah.
Oh.
I'm the firstborn. Kucala kanozala by 4. Kucala time I'm not sure.
Okay.
Yeah, because Anko close ngaleyo ndlela, but last time I checked I think baby by 3 because I look at time.
Okay, no, it's fine. And then apart from music, is there anything maybe that we should expect that mhlampe ungagcina uyenza, or because namanye ama artists uthola ukuthi maybe even acting they can pursue it, even some other things they can pursue it. Is there anything that you would tap into besides like making music?
Grandshap, right now my brother and Zamuk focus are like kwezinye business.
Okay.
Because I feel like nami career I'm stuck here in the one because the thing imali ngikwazi investor ku career yami ndipush yabo. Yeah, because nayiphi business for ba wenza imali ufuna kufaka imali.
Yeah ne
yabo. Yabo ingoma efana no Kini P, I believe la ngoma if bekuthiwa bene budget proper ngenye yengoma ezibig, that's a dope song.
Yeah, it is.
So right now ndizama focus kwezinye izinto yabo. I believe the whole year next year ngizobe ninga drop yabo ngipusha ezizinto ngiqala uzenza yabo for ukuthi mhlambi 2026 manbuya khona uku-investa like more ku-career yami ngendlela grand.
So music it needs like that. It needs money for a song to get it like to the top. You need a budget, good budgets for it.
Yeah, kumele uphose isincane la eradweni ukuthi ube ku-high rotation. Isincane la e-TV ukuthi yo
TV.
Yeah, at least ngidlaleni boma 4 times or 6 times ngelanga. Yabo lapha ingoma abantu bayizwa yabo
on a daily basis.
Yeah. Uyizwa emotweni mawufika endlini e-TV yaphinda uyayizwa.
Still uyayizwa.
Ugcina manje nawe sewuziyele efonini. Ugcina soyithanda yabo because ingoma yabo so yonke le thing sidinga imali. Ne-videos eziproper. Yabo i-video proper like proper video mhlawumbe ungayifumana nge-20k.
20k for a proper video.
Yeah, for a proper video.
And then for it to be played on radio.
Sincane nyana.
There's no way ukuthi bangayidlala without
bangayidlala but angeke bayidlale ngendlela ekumele bayidlale ngayo.
Okay.
Unless you are a big artist.
Yeah, because vele they are making people are listening to the radio because of vele I'm a big artist.
That's why yabo labels ezifana nabo ambitious bezwasiza ama artists abe big. Because bebehola isincane ra. Yabo. Shiyeli present isincane nyana ukuthi yo. Dlala lapho.
Yeah.
Yabo mfowethu.
Yo, and then how is it, just before I let you go, my last question, how is it the SA hip hop looking like in the next 5 years for you?
In the next 5 years, Eshanzang and cousin ndachopha ndayicinga ngelo hlobo. But right now I'm happy about the artists are dropping albums.
Yeah, and we had a lot of albums.
Yeah, fire albums, Amajita Pusha and Bayabukwa. Yeah, I'm happy because I'm a super fan of hip hop, especially as America.
Okay.
Yeah.
Who do you listen to that side?
Lil Durk. Free Lil Durk.
Free Lil Durk.
Free Buddha Durk.
Yeah.
Durk. Yeah, free that man. Yeah.
Okay. Hi.
Awusho cause mina ngazi ukuthi ngizokhuluma ngendaba ye music lapha ema-radioini ukuthi kumele ufake isincane.
Yeah.
Kuze udlale uthi kunika i-present. Like leyo music compiler isebenzi noma nawe uyamnika esincane.
Yeah, na
uqala kuye.
Iqala khona.
Ngaphela i-present music uthola ku music compiler.
Grandshab benzama ukusho yabo ukuthi mara nama presenter nama interviews yabo.
Yeah.
Yonke into mfethu kwesisikhathi samanje ayikho into yamahala.
Hey, go rough.
Yeah, it's tough. Imagine nigga for my upcoming artists who are still don't have money to go and record.
Yeah, boy.
Uzoyithatha phi imali yokubhadala i-radio?
Yo, dog. It's not easy.
It's not easy, ne?
Yeah.
I know. Thank you very much, Flashy Kumkane, for making it like to the show. It really means a lot to Mepo Media family. Yeah, you can share your social platforms on that camera and let them know where can they get your music because they need to go and listen to Imama. You guys must go and listen to Imama. Yo, that's one of my favorite songs. From Flashy Kumkane. It's one of my favorite songs. I listen to it, that song, and it's even on my playlist. It's there. Yeah.
Ngiyabonga mfowethu, ngibonga kakhulu. Yeah. Bulela kuye wonke umuntu omamela umculo wami. Inkosi kakhulu. Nenze njalo nakwabanye. Ngizodrop i-match soon, ngicela ningixhase. Yeah, danko.
Yeah, you can go and share your social platform.
Okay, on IG Flashy Kumkane, Facebook page Flashy Kumkane, TikTok at Flashy Kumkane, YouTube at Flashy Kumkane. Yeah, ndicela ni subscribe, ni comment, ni like, ni share. Danko.
Okay. With that being said, please do like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification button so you can be notified whenever you're dropping an episode. Yes, sir. We out. We go.